What's going down, YouTube, man? Today I'm gonna be showing you exactly what you need to be making some YouTube videos, more specifically fishing videos. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Envy Fishing. I've been doing fishing videos for about 2 years. Filming is just a fraction of it. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do so you don't have the same problems I did. First things first, you're gonna need for sure already. Maybe Christmas is coming around, so maybe you can ask for it for Christmas, for your birthday, a GoPro and a laptop. Okay, when you first get your GoPro, man, you're gonna think, all right, I'm all set. You're gonna find out that you're gonna need a little bit more stuff than just your GoPro. I don't think it comes with an SD card. From what I can remember, I don't think it does, but if it does and it's low gigabytes, man, I'm gonna show you guys exactly. Keep watching this video. I got some pro tips for you to help you exactly with that. All right, this SD card is 128 gigabytes, man. Huge shout out to my boy Jay. He got this. Hopefully you have a lot of memory on it, but if you don't, I'm going to give you some huge tips on exactly what to do so you don't need as much memory, man. This is a game changer for me, man. Oh my gosh, saves so much time. Continue watching. I'll get to it a little bit later. Depending on which laptop you have, it's either you're going to need this or this. All right, next, you're going to need batteries. Batteries. I can't tell you guys, man. I've had at least like 7 batteries, man. You're going to need a lot of batteries. Now, do not buy GoPro batteries. It's not knocking on GoPro batteries. You guys can get some Wasabi batteries. It comes with, so you can charge 3 at a time, an adapter for 3 and 3 batteries. And I think it's like 30 bucks or 20 bucks. So it's a lot cheaper. You'll get, I think for one GoPro battery, it's I think like 25 bucks. So me, hey, balling on a budget, you balling on a budget, these work just as good and it saves you a ton of money. What you can also do, which I do, it comes with a battery. So what you can do instead of buying those batteries, if you go to your local Walmart, you can buy one of these. It's an external battery charger. Let me tell you guys, this is a game changer. This, oh my gosh, it'll save you so much money and headache. The only downfall that I will tell you is on a hot day, it's going to make your GoPro even hotter. So if you can, buy batteries, but I've gone a whole day with just using this and it's lasted the whole day. Again, your GoPro is going to overheat regardless. Okay, it's going to overheat. But I do think that something like this does tend, since it's charging it and your battery's starting to get hot, it's going to make it overheat faster. But it's not going to be like, okay, I plugged it in, it's going to overheat. No, but if you can, continue disconnecting it. As soon as it's fully charged, you see that's fully charged, just disconnect it. But this is honestly a game changer. When you go to Walmart, there's 2 of these, right? I recently purchased this one. The only difference is this one holds more of a charge. It holds, I believe it's 7 charges, and this one I think is 6 or 5. This one does not hold its charge at all. So once you take it off look at that, it's already at 1%. And this one, well, I like it. Get this one, people. I used this one for just 1 day, all day. I think it was 2 days online. I think it was for 2 days, for about 4 hours each day. So it's about 8 hours. And it's still at 63%. It holds its charge. Do not get this one, people. Don't get this one. It's a little bit cheaper and it says it holds more of a charge, but it charges more, but it loses its charge as soon as you disconnect it. So do not buy this one. Buy the black one. And oh man, let me tell you, it'll replace your batteries. But like I said, for really, really hot days, like in the middle of the summer, again, your GoPro is going to overheat. A little side note, okay? When you do take off this door on the side, it isn't waterproof anymore, okay, people? So as soon as you take this off, if this thing falls into water or you fall in or whatever, you're going to mess up your GoPro. Do not fall in the water with this thing, okay? So if you are going to be like that, like swimming or anything like that, make sure you have your door on. And again, just buy extra batteries and then just do it like that. You are going to need to invest in one of these. This one, I got a cheapy one. I came with like a whole kit. My wife bought it for me. Shout out to my wife. You're going to need a chesty or a head mount. When I first started, I think I had a head mount. It just straps to your head and you can use it like that. As a matter of fact, I even have another one where you can clamp on your head. There's all these different ones. What I liked about the head was wherever you looked, it was looking. So that's great. The problem was when I fish, I look around a lot. Like I'm constantly looking for other spots. Like I'll cast, I'm working it, and then I'll be looking around to see other things. So I'll be looking this way and I'll get a blow up or a bite on this one and I wasn't even looking. I normally always put it on my chest. It's a lot easier. It gives you the image of it's actually you fishing. I guess that's why people have the chesty, is it makes it seem like you're the one fishing, like you can see exactly what I'm doing. These are things that you guys are going to want to invest in just because it makes your life a whole lot easier. If you guys can get it all in one shebang, great. But these are things that are going to make your life a lot easier. And another thing, these GoPros shoot in 4K. I learned the hard way. This is just a pro tip, a side tip, guys. I learned the hard way that it's a lot better to shoot it in 1080p because for whatever reason, I can't get it perfect, especially if you're just a beginner and you're new to filming. It shows it all pixelated. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's my SD card. I have no idea. But 4K, or maybe it's my laptop. Maybe it's, I don't know, guys. But 4K is terrible. Like when you start showing the glare of the water and all that, I even asked another YouTuber what he uses his camera on, if it's 1080p or 4K, and he said it's 1080p and his videos are great. Like he gets tons of views. So I'm telling you, 1080p is the way to go. Okay, and last tip, guys. This is the one that I was telling you guys that, man, this is the last tip for the GoPro, all right? Well, I'm about to get you into software that'll help you make videos, but last tip for the GoPro, this is huge. This one really, oh my gosh, guys. On your GoPro, there's a feature where you can have looping. It's 5 minutes, 20 minutes, and 60 minutes. All you need is 5 minutes, guys. You guys need to do it. I'm telling you guys, if you guys make fishing videos, you guys need to do it. I'll show you exactly, guys, on another video if you guys want exactly how to start looping. Okay, another pro tip for when you're looping or even videoing, if you're just using your GoPro, okay, because this happens regardless. Every 20 minutes, every 5 minutes, every whatever, especially if you guys catch a fish, tap it to make sure, because sometimes it's frozen. Like you've heard me say, if you watch some of my videos, say like, oh, my GoPro wasn't working. That's what I meant when I said it wasn't working, is because I thought I was recording. And I know for sure my GoPro was on, because what I'll do, instead of tapping the back of the screen, is I'll lift it up and I'll look for the numbers right here. Or there's a little red dot that you can see that when it's recording. I thought it should have been recording, but what ended up happening was it freezes. GoPro freezes a lot, guys. Again, if it's constantly freezing, I got another tip to help you with that. If you guys want to know, just drop it down in the comments and I'll make a video about that. But anyways, yes, constantly be checking on it just to make sure that even when it's looping or just playing, if you're recording everything, which I'm telling you don't do, but if you are recording everything, just constantly tap the back of the screen to make sure that it's not frozen, because regardless if you're doing either or, it will freeze. And it is such a headache. All you're going to hear when you get home and you're excited that you caught the fish or whatever, all you're going to see is the screen frozen, and you can hear everything, which is even more heartache, because you can hear the excitement of you catching the fish, and then you come home and you realize that it was frozen. So you can't use it. Well, people can't see what you're talking about, so they're just gonna hear the voice. But yeah, so that video is basically scrapped. So constantly be tapping on the back just to make sure that it is recording. Now getting off of that, now going into the software that you guys are gonna need. Huge guys, I ball on a budget, man. I'm telling you guys, DaVinci Resolve, that is a huge game changer. For those of you that don't know, DaVinci Resolve is just something that'll help you edit your videos. Oh my gosh, and it's free. They have a paid version, the premium, which I'm strongly considering getting, but I've done this for like 2.5 years and I've never used their premium. So there are added features, but I'm telling you, I've never bought it, so everything that I'm telling you is from the free version. You can do your thumbnails, your editing. And another pro tip, go through all your footage. Get it on the Sims, go through all of your footage prior to putting it into DaVinci Resolve. Do not go through all your footage in DaVinci Resolve. Play it smart. What I do, As a matter of fact, I'll show you in another video if you guys want on exactly how I make my process a lot easier. But go through all your footage prior to putting on DaVinci Resolve, put it in a folder, and then open up DaVinci Resolve and then go to that folder. This way, everything's in order. You can get it from there and you'll know exactly where everything goes to. Again, if you guys want me to show you another video of how I do my thumbnails from DaVinci, this thumbnail that you guys saw, what you guys clicked on, this was done in DaVinci Resolve. I used to use like three or four different ones just to make the what's because one would do something, but then it have its limits. So then I have to get that photo and move it to another one, and then get that photo and move it to another one. DaVinci Resolve cut it all out, man. I learned how to edit. I learned how to do my thumbnails on DaVinci Resolve, and it is totally way better to me. I feel my thumbnails have gotten a lot better. If you guys don't believe me, go through all my thumbnails. As a matter of fact, I changed some of them because I learned, but go through all my thumbnails and you'll see the difference between back then and now. Last thing, if you can, gaming laptops are like the ticket to go on any software. And it's not just DaVinci Resolve, because mine was lagging, like it was lagging a lot. When it would normally now take me like 30 minutes, it would take me literally like 4 hours to go through footage because it would go so slow. I did all the things. I went to all YouTube videos to try to make my computer go faster. But yo, if your computer's slow, it's just your computer slow. There are some things that you can do, but I did everything and I couldn't get it to go any faster. Thankfully, my beautiful wife, she ended up buying me a gaming laptop. So gaming laptops speeds it up. So if you can get a little bit more expensive laptop, and I'm telling you guys, it'll make your life a whole lot easier. Just start making your videos, guys, just from scratch. Just make your first video and improve daily. Don't think, oh, I'm gonna make this one video the best. No, make a video, learn from it. Make another video, learn from it. Make another video, keep learning. Just keep learning every day, but constantly keep making content. People, just make a ton of content, all right? And I'm talking to myself when I say this, all right? I'm not talking just to you guys. But all right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments, man. If you guys need help, because let me tell you, there's tons of other things that are gonna go wrong that, man, I've been there, so I can help you out. I'll make tons of videos to help you guys out aside from fishing. But yeah, you guys drop your comments, let me know if this video helped you out at all. Smash that like button, subscribe. Again, I'll help you out with anything you need, fishing, with editing, with the camera, the stuff that I use. And again, I ball on a budget. I'm not one of these people that are balling with all this money, so I ball on a budget, all right? I get little things here and there. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. Love y'all. God bless. To the next. Peace.